How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 3.0 tablet charger PCB. You will need a pry tool and a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Remove the tablet. Turn the tablet holder lock counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull upward on the tablet holder to remove it. Using a pry tool, pry the edges of the tablet holder cover upward to detach it, then remove the cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized, remove the 5 screws that secure the tablet charger PCB. Lift up on the white PCB casing, disconnect the connector, then remove the PCB. Now let's replace it. Connect the tablet charger PCB to the corresponding connector from the chair, then place the PCB into position in the side panel. Replace the 5 screws to secure the PCB. Tuck the connector wires under the PCB casing. Note the 3 posts on the tablet holder cover and the corresponding sockets on the side panel. Aligning the posts with the sockets, press firmly on the cover to secure it. Note the notches on the tablet holder cover and the corresponding notches on the tablet holder shaft. Aligning the notches, lower the tablet holder into position, then turn the lock clockwise to secure it. Confirm that the tablet holder can swivel. Replace the tablet. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.